Children, observe the farmer's house. What animals do you see? These animals are found in and around our homes. We take care of them and they help us in various ways. Such animals are called domestic animals. Some domestic animals help us in our farm work. They are called farm animals. This is an ox. It helps to plow the farm. This is a cow. It gives milk and dung. The cow dung is used as manure and fuel. Its young one is called a calf. The farmer provides it a home called a shed. This is a goat. The young one is called kid. Its home is a shed. People rear the goat for milk and meat. This is a horse. People use the horse to pull carts and for riding. Its young one is a foal. Its home is called a stable. These are honey bees. Its home is a beehive. The honey bees live together in large numbers. They make honey. This is a hen. Its home is called a coop. The young one is a chick. It is reared for its eggs and meat.